cold world out there, but there's always something hot here in the workshop. All the way from New Zealand. So what this is a Rivendell Bleriot, and that was a collaboration between QBP and Rivendell around 2005. I remember I just came into Q in 2006, and these were kind of just being closed out. So this has been in the packaging for a very long time. I got it from the QBP New Zealand distributor and shipped it over here, and let's look at this thing because I haven't seen it yet. So the Bleriot is a 650B model that's a little more aggressive than other Rivendells. It's got a relatively high 67mm bottom bracket drop and shortish for Rivi. 445 stays, so hopefully this will be pretty playful and fun to put power down with. Here's something cool. It came with a headset and 20mm spacers. Cardboard still in the BB. And this is kind of interesting. So this is just a regular hardware store nut in here. Practical, but not all that pretty. The plan is to build this up super fancy. I'm building it for myself, not as a client bike. And so I'm going all out. And I hope you follow along as we get it together.